Hey friends, today is Wednesday and we are going to get to it. Yesterday was kind of crazy, but today's going to be a good day. I'm claiming it. We are going to make some bread machine pizza dough. The boys want pizza. We don't really live close to a pizza restaurant, so I'm going to throw some together in my bread machine. I have this handy dandy little pan here. I actually have two bread machines. I'm not going to lie to you, I love my bread machines. Sometimes I make them for sandwiches. Sometimes I make two big things of bread, and sometimes I do pizza. So today's the pizza day. I've taken 1 1/3 cup of hot water. Really hot water. It has to be hot. Now, I'm going to have to read my instructions. I'm half blind. I need a teaspoon of sugar. So let's get us a teaspoon of sugar. I've got this handy dandy little bowl here that I use to keep like all of my bread ingredients together, because if I don't, I will be like all over the kitchen trying to gather up stuff. So I have like one little area, and it's just for my bread machine stuff because I use it so much. Honestly, I put on a pot of coffee in the mornings. By the time the coffee gets done brewing, I can throw a whole loaf, the ingredients for a loaf of bread together, or a pizza. So we're just going to do the pizza right now. All right, next, let me get this. I'm blind. I'm 46, y'all. I need glasses. I'm pretty sure that I need 2 teaspoons of salt. And that's the one thing I didn't get, but look, I'm up here. And of course it ain't in here. Hang on just a second, people. Hang on, where's my salt? I'm claiming it's going to be a good day. It is. Where's my salt? Lord, y'all just going to be here for the bloopers and all. I don't see my big, huge salt container. I don't know where I put it, so I'm just going to use open this bad boy up and do 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoons of salt. 2 teaspoons. I'm going to get in here in a minute after I get done with this video and find it. Watch me. I'll step on it. I'll stub my thumb on it. It'll be in my way. But the moment I need it. Alright, so you're going to take 2 tablespoons of EVOO, as Rachel Ray would say, extra virgin olive oil. Yeah. Have you ever made homemade pizza in the cast iron skillet? That's where we're going today. Y'all, do you remember, how many of you 80s babies remember, I'm a 70s baby, but grew up in the 80s. How many of y'all remember the Pizza Hut pan pizza, the little personal pan pizzas? It gives it this vibe. All right, now we're going to go with hella bunch of bread flour. I need 4 1/2 cups. Boom. Fast rise yeast. I said fast acting like it's a set of tongues. Lord have mercy. So I need 2 1/4 of these, y'all. And I'm almost out. Yay. 1, 2. Let's see if we can squeeze 1 more fourth out of here. You think we can do it? You see it down there? I think we can. Come on, 1/4. Come on. Look, what? It's like 1/2 fourth. Hold on a minute. I gotta open a whole thing for one little teeny tiny 1/2 fourth. All right, I think I got an 1/8 in here somewhere. Yep. So we're just gonna take an 1/8 of this brand new thing I used, and we're gonna go an 1/8 here. There we go. So I got everything I need. Y'all, come on, let's go check it out. I'm gonna show you what I do to make this so easy in the bread machine. All right, y'all, it's going. It's gonna take about 1 hour and 30 minutes, and we'll have us some pizza. There you go. Y'all, I have 5 minutes left, and it is like busting out. Look at that. That is insane. How tall that is. Look at that. That's going to be a huge, huge pizza. Y'all, that is insane tall. Look at that. All right, y'all. Pizza number 1 is going in at 450 degrees. Let's see how long it takes. Look at that bubbly cheese, y'all. Now, I promise you, I will not be winning any pizza contest But for a delicious, easy pizza, you got right here, y'all. Look, I'm going to take some butter, go around the edges here, maybe add a little garlic to it. Look at that, y'all. Look how pretty and bubbly. Like I said, I won't be winning any pretty, but I promise you it's going to be delicious. Let's taste it. You want to? All right, y'all. Here it goes. Oh, that's hot, and it's so good. Definitely good. Try it. That recipe I gave you makes 3 medium-sized pizzas. Try it. Let me know what you think.